My partnership with Donate Life Indiana is to try and help empower teens to feel ready to make their donation decision when they go to the BMV for the first time. Because when I was a teenager, my parents and I didn't talk about this. And it's not that we were callous, it just hadn't affected us, it hadn't touched us in any way. And as a teen, you think you're invincible and you're gonna live forever and it's all gonna be fantastic. So it's encouraging teens to think about this, have that conversation with their parents and feel empowered to make that decision.
What about you guys?
Nervous?
Oh, come on, we're gonna have fun.
This is sounding complicated.
Okay. Now, I'm sure you've already been forewarned. They tell you you have to steer opposite that here.
Yeah.
Okay. You feel good?
Nope.
You ready to tackle this thing? Good. You really are.
I don't feel like I'm doing that good.
You are. You're doing well. You are. Head her back. You got it. The harder part of it sometimes is getting the wheel back.
Yeah, that's what I'm struggling with.
I mean, turning it out, you can kind of figure out what you're doing, but then figure out when you're straight again, you're falling right in. This is probably the toughest one here.
Oh, excellent. So now I can, right.
No, I think sometimes it's both speed, sometimes it's
Hell no.
not like crazy speed, just speed. Yeah, straighten her out one turn, there you go. One off. This way, one. Left one, there you go. And straight. That's what you do it. It's fun. Straighten her out. Left, left. There you go. Straight. Take a hard left. Straighten it out.
Driving the ladder truck was really interesting, trying to remember to turn the opposite direction to where the front is turning. The hardest thing for me, actually, it's gonna sound weird, was actually getting it straight because the bar is on the bottom of the wheel in that truck and in my race car it's on the top of the wheel. So I'd keep thinking I was straight and you'd be like, oh, you're still half a turn off. It's an interesting experience. I don't know how these guys do that at the speeds they have to do it on the roads to respond to emergencies. So as you guys can see, I have this snazzy Donate Life logo on my shirt right here. And this May at the Indianapolis 500, I'm going to be driving a Donate Life car for my team, Dale Queen Racing. Going to be attempting to qualify in a couple of weekends' time, and hopefully, if all goes well, I will be starting my 7th Indianapolis 500 in just a few weeks here on Memorial Day weekend. And we'll be getting that car and that image out to everyone who is watching that race, not just Indiana residents, not just US citizens, to the worldwide audience to try and get people talking about, thinking about organ donation and transplantation. So if us being out here is kind of connecting with you and you want to find out more about this and about organ and tissue donation and you think maybe you might be ready to make your donation decision, go to donatelifeindiana.org.